Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to learn how can we draw the third angle projection for a given isometric drawing. So isometric drawing basically combines three different views: front view, top view and side view, and orthographic projections. The third angle projection that we are going to draw that will be basically separating front view, top view and side view. Now orthographic projections we can draw in two manners: in first angle projection and in third angle projection. So in third angle, front view is drawn below xy line and top view is drawn above xy line. But in first angle projection, this pattern is opposite. Along with this, in third angle projection, the left side view will be drawn on left side itself. But in the first angle projection, the left side view is drawn on the right side. So we are going to draw the third angle projection of this particular drawing, and this side B we are going to take or assume this side as the side of front view. Okay, so without further delay, let's start. So in any kind of projection, whether it is first angle or third angle, the first thing that we are going to do is we need to draw the front view. Okay, because it will provide you projection lines for both top view and the side view. So let's start the front view. Now this side is 100 units and height is 45. Then this one is 25, and after that this particular depth, this is 30 units. So I'm going to start line from any point. Let's say I'm starting it from here. Now before that, let's select the line weight. So I'm selecting line weight of 0.35 mm. Select line, start from this particular point. You can take any point. Now in this side, you should go 100 units, press enter. Then vertically upwards, you will be going for 45 units. After that, you will be going for 25, press enter. Then below, you will be coming for 15 and 15, 30 units, press enter. Then in this side, 100 minus 25, that will be 75 units, press enter. Then join with this line. Then this is the second stair. Then in this side, we are going to go for 75 units, press enter, and then join with this one. So this is the front view that we needed. Now, in order to draw the top view and the side view, I'm going to use ray command for the projection lines. Now, before moving further, let's set the line weight of ray command to 0 and select any other color. So I'm selecting yellow color for the projection lines. Now repeat the same ray command. Start from other points like this, press enter, repeat ray, start from these points. Now you don't need to move or draw ray from every single corner. The only thing that you should be concerned is that boundaries and all internal points, they should be covered. So that's something that we need to take care of. Repeat ray, start from this point in this direction and in this direction, and press escape. So basically we are done with front view. Now we are going to draw the top view and then the side view. Now let's move for the top view first. So select line, increase line weight to 0.35 and take black color. Now for this one, basically in top view, this particular section will be visible to us. Then these three stairs will be visible. So I'm drawing any line. Now this line should be moving till this particular point. Now this total height, it should be 75 units. Then in this direction, this should be 100, press enter. Then this will be 75 obviously. Then till this point, later on, in this direction, it should be 25 plus 25, that is 50 units, press enter. Then join with this particular section. In this side, we will be moving till 25 units and then join with this one. So we are done with top view as well. Okay. Now, without further delay, we are going to use ray command again, and let's select line weight to 0 and change the color of these rays to yellow. So draw the first one, Control Z, repeat this ray command, start from this one. Okay, line weight we basically changed it, but by undoing, we have changed the line weight as well. So repeat ray, start from this point, draw it like this. Again repeat ray from this point, done. Repeat ray from this point, done. Then again repeat from this point and done. Now we don't need these axis lines, so we are going to trim them. So use trim command, tr, enter, and then remove these axis lines that we do not need. Now after removing, we need curves. Okay, these yellow colors, they might not be properly visible to you. So I'm going to change their color again so that they are properly visible. So select similar, then select these sections as well and change their color to blue. Okay, this is properly visible now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use arc command, okay, in order to basically bend these lines properly. So select arc using start, center and end. So this should be the starting point, this one should be the center, and this should be the end point. Now the color is still yellow, so let's change it to blue. Okay, in next one it will be done. Okay, now next we are going to use offset because all of these steps are of same size. So we are going to use offset for these curves. Now done. So we have properly bent these values, increase the line weight a little bit for these projection lines. Okay, use ray command again, press enter, then start ray from this side and done. Repeat ray, start from this side and done. Repeat from this point, done. Repeat from this point and done. Okay, so this is how you can draw these values. Now select line. Once you select line and change the line weight to 0.35. Now we are going to draw the left side view. Okay, so left side view, it will start from this particular point. We'll go to this point and then there is a pattern of these stairs. Now all of these points I'm taking reference from the right side drawing that is there, so that we don't make any mistake. Okay, till this point and done. So this is your side view. Okay, now we are going to trim the non-required portion, remove this and remove this, and then we are going to provide the dimensions to all of these values. Now select a different color for dimensions. I use dimension command and place these dimensions like this. Okay, there are certain some lines that are not yet trimmed, so we are going to trim them as well. So trim it. Now we can align the dimensions that are not proper. Press enter. Align now. Start from this point, go to this. Now, okay, some dimensions might not be covered yet, so we are going to cover them as well. So I hope all of the dimensions are properly provided. Okay, so that's the third angle projection. Okay, we are going to use trim command to remove this axis line. Okay, press escape, trim, enter, then done. Now this particular view that we have here, let's use multi-line text for this one. So this view is top view. Then I'm going to copy it and paste it here. This view is the front view. So double click on it and select front view. Then copy it and paste it here. And this view is the side view. Side view. So you can increase the dimension as the text of this dimension as well by selecting all. Select similar, right click and go to properties and increase the text height. So go to text and increase this height to 5 or 4.5, whatever you want. Now, so this is our drawing. Now this one we can place it anywhere we want, and we can still trim the portion, the line segments that we do not need. So this is the third angle projection of our drawing. So I hope you guys have learned something new. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.